Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a short video just to explain part of our foundations. I'm going to slide this over. This is MarketSmith right here, by the way, okay? Bill O'Neill product. It's a great research product. There's other good ones too. Just use it. But I want to show you this. This is very important. You can read all this, fancy stuff here at the beginning. This is where it really gets good though. The majority of a leading stock rise is related to the industry group, okay? 37% is related to the performance in the industry group, 12% to the overall sector. Cut to the chase. You know what that means? About 50%. 37 plus 12 is 49. That's pretty good math, isn't it? I didn't need a calculator for that either. About half of stock prices movements related to the industry and sector. So what's our goal? Focus on the leading sectors and the leading stocks in those sectors. Right here, this is the number one group. This is MarketSmith, as I stated. It's the number one group this week. It was the number one group last week. It was group number 11 3 months ago. So what's it mean? It's a strong group, and it's been a strong group. This is the chart, a daily chart, leisure, movie related. Again, number one group. These are the top stocks in the group. There's one that should catch your eyes right away. Netflix. Netflix is the horse. It's a max list stock. We've been in it for a while. We're still in it, just grinding on up. You can see this nice move. That's Netflix. Wanted to share it with you. Am I saying buy it here? No. But knowing that this has been a top group for a while, it helps us focus on the leading, again, as the article pointed out, about 50% of a stock price's movements related to the group that it's in. So we go to the leading groups. This is group number one. Here's group number two for you. Medical products. Group number two. Got that label there. Here's the leading stocks in those groups. Obiomed, Inogen, Align. We know these names. What's it doing? It's still hanging in there. It's group number two. It's staying strong. It's above the 50-day. It's above the 20-day. It's above the 8-day. It's near highs. That's what we want to see. Number two group. Here's the number three group. Computer, software, enterprise. It fell on fairly heavy volume. It's starting to bounce off the 50-day. It's been a relatively strong group for quite a while. Here's the leading stocks in these groups. Bowsen, Salesforce.com. By the way, Salesforce.com had a really good write-up the end of last week in Investors Daily. Salesforce.com. CRM. Here's the number four group. Computer, software, medical. 3 months ago it was 127. Last week it was 6. This week it's 4. It's been moving up in rank. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Top relative strength stocks, percent off high. There we go. With this market whipping around, this is hanging in there. Now we know it's strong. Let's do some research on these charts and see if there's something good there. Here's the number five group, retail department stores. Now look at this. Just want to share something. It's a very strong group. Here's the leading stocks in the group, okay? I just want to do something for you real quick here. Watch this. Note this chart. This week, did it do much? No. Here's the number one group. Did it do anything this week? It went up. Here's the number two group. What did it do this week? It went up. Here's the number three group. It started to go up a little bit. Here's the number four group. It went up a little bit. Here's the number five group. It didn't go up. Now, am I saying it's not going to go up? No, but this is the analysis we do at MissionWinners.com. That's a red flag. It didn't participate with the market. Perhaps it will lose its leadership. We'll watch it and we'll see. We're not forecasting, but the cold hard facts is the market popped and this didn't. So, does that mean it's a go-to group as much right now? Maybe not. We'll have to watch and see. If they start to lift off, we'll be ready. Why? It's group number 5. Wanted to share that with you. That's the top 5 groups. For the VIPs, I go through this analysis for the top 25 groups. But I wanted to show you one of the things we do. Knowing, again, the foundation. About 50% of a stock price's movement is related to the group and the sector that it's in. We focus on strength. And I just hope this helps you frame up your investing tactics and strategies. And I thank you.